Are you ready for a question?
Yes!
What am I made of?
Look at me, look at me.
Open and see. I have words and pictures just for you and me. Book, book. What am I made of? What am I made of? I am made of paper, paper, paper. Paper feels light, paper feels thin.
Light, thin.
We read and learn when we look within. I am made of paper, paper, paper. I am made of paper, paper, paper. Is it metal?
No, no, no.
Is it plastic? Is it paper?
Yes, yes, yes.
Open your book. Open, open, open. Close it nice and slow.